We stand at a crossroads. The next 50 years will transform our world more than the last 500. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. New technologies give us the power to solve our biggest challenges, like climate change and clean energy. This is not a story about what will happen, but what we can make happen. The future is a team project. It belongs to all of us. We must work together across countries and cultures to build a better future. The universe is waiting to see what we will do next. Let's make our story one of hope, progress, and unity. Imagine cities that think this is the promise of artificial intelligence. AI will manage traffic, energy, and healthcare, making life smarter and healthier. It will help doctors spot diseases early and create personalized medicine. AI can translate languages, instantly breaking down barriers and building understanding. It will help us solve global problems like hunger and disaster response. Companies like A-Square Solutions are already using AI to connect people and grow businesses. AI is not just a dream, it's happening now. Used wisely, it can be a tool for peace and cooperation. The digital age is here, and we are shaping it together. Beyond AI lies quantum computing, a technology that can solve problems today's computers can't touch. Quantum computers can unlock new materials, revolutionize energy, and help us discover new medicines. They'll help us answer the universe's biggest mysteries, from dark matter to the origins of life. This new power demands wisdom and care. We must protect our information and ensure quantum technology benefits everyone. The quantum age is just beginning. It's a leap into a new way of understanding reality. Our journey into this frontier will test our minds and our values. For centuries we've dreamed of the stars. Now we're ready to live there. In the next 50 years we'll build colonies on the moon and Mars. Real towns, not just science labs. Mining asteroids will provide resources, sparing Earth and fueling a new space economy. Space is our backup plan, ensuring humanity's survival if disaster strikes Earth. This new frontier will challenge and unite us. We'll invent new technologies and rules for living together beyond our planet. Exploring space will inspire new generations. The journey to the stars is our next great step. Our destiny is to reach out and touch the cosmos. AI, quantum computing, and space exploration are powerful gifts, but with them comes responsibility. The future must be fair and shared by all, not just a privileged few. We must ensure technology lifts everyone, creating new opportunities and equality. We are the architects of tomorrow, building the future with every choice we make. Let's be hopeful, brave, and wise as we face the challenges ahead. The next 50 years will be a journey of wonder and discovery. The story is unwritten. Let's write a chapter of progress for all generations. Our future is ours to create. Let's make it magnificent.